Hello from me, Lazarus. Welcome to the presentation of the next lesson in the course on creating a website from scratch. We are currently on the 6th chapter of the site, or chapter 37 of the book. Last time we designed the sidebar, and we started with the header first, then the navigation menu, then the sidebar, and now we're moving on to the main content. Like here, it's more like of this type, divided into 4 sections. Let's open the PDF file. Each section will consist of a title, which will be and a link to the topic, an image with text around it, which introduces the topic, such as at the end of the text will also have an ellipsis so that we can open its entire contents in a new PDF file. For the example, we will use a theme for the Lazarus programming environment. I have prepared a image Lazarus IDE.jpg with dimensions 360 by 360 pixels, and copied it to our site's directory. This is a screenshot of working with this Lazarus IDE, which is what my other site is about. In the sections we will use it as a smaller size of 120 by 120 pixels, so that we don't have to make a second image when we enlarge it. We have taken it at its larger size. In the tutorial presentation, we will not examine in detail how this is done, because this is the subject of the paid part of the tutorial. So here I will only show you the final result. Here is how the site looks with the fixed dimensions. Here we have a very interesting one, hover or rollover effect. You see that when we point to the image, it becomes twice as big. However, the interesting effect here is that at all sizes it's different, so at the fixed sizes, you see that the rest of the text doesn't shift. While applying relative dimensions, here's what happens: the rest of the text shifts. And in the third option something even more interesting happens with Flexbox. The entire site starts to move, which of course makes it inappropriate. Of course, all of this is just to show you. This effect can probably be neutralized, but now I won't delve into this issue. Of course you may not include it in your sites, by for example removing the code which implements it. I have explained it in detail. How is this done? That's all for the presentation of this lesson. Best regards.